Your views on black pill content on looks, for example, if an attractive guy is introvert, women will label it as mysterious. For average guy, it becomes creep. I genuinely don't think. Look, bro, I don't know if this is black pill because I don't know what black pill is. And black pill wala pura funda, I'm not too sure what that means, right? I've never read that too much. But I'll tell you, this is somewhat true because, dekho, aisa hai. How you look at the world will determine what conclusions you'll make from there. राइट अगर मैं कुत्ते का बच्चा हूं, अगर मैं बहुत हरामी आदमी हूं, मैं बहुत सेल्फिश आदमी हूं, तो मैं लोगों को पैसे भी दूंगा ना सड़क पे, तुम बोलोगे ब्रांड बना रहा है, देखो नंबर बना रहा है, व्यूअर्स ले रहा है, सब्सक्राइबर्स कमा रहा है. पर अगर मैं बहुत दिल का अच्छा आदमी हूं और मैं लोगों से पैसे लेके भी भाग जाऊं ना, तुम बोलोगे शायद किसी को देने होंगे तभी लेके गया. द डिफरेंस इज व्हाट डिड यू कंक्लूड बिफोर विल इन्फ्लुएंस व्हाट यू विल कंक्लूड आफ्टर. सो इफ इट्स एन अट्रैक्टिव गाय, part of the other person's conditioning, and this will happen to you as men as well, okay? It's not just women. This is the problem with pilled communities. They differentiate men and women too hard. There's a difference, undeniable, but they go too hard. Because a lot of this pill, red pill, black pill, all of these motions are led by very sad and lonely men. Men who were hurt very horribly by women that were probably not good to them. So, it's true for both sexes in this case. What will happen is, say, I have decided this woman's attractive. Right? And then she refuses to talk to me. I'll say she's a little bit of a chase. She's a little harder to get. I won't say she's mean. And if it's a less attractive woman, I'm not attracted to her and she's playing all like she's not talking to me all that much, I'll be like I'm not interested either. What do you want? It's the same shit. For women now, reverse it. If she's already decided this is an attractive man and he's introverted, she'll be like, mystery. Because she's already decided now she's attracted to the guy. Now, if she's not attracted to the guy and he's introverted, she won't think he's a creep. This is where they sell you stuff. क्या कहते हैं इसे? Mott and Bailey technique, right? Like premise buy करा के conclusion दूसरा बेच देना. Mott and Bailey कहते हैं, I think. This is Mott and Bailey, right? It's not creepy. She's just not interested. Bro, fact of the matter is most people don't care about you. And if you're meeting a woman in a context where whether she's attracted to you or not is decided, if she's not attracted to you, she doesn't care about you. She doesn't dislike you. She just does not care about you, bro. Most people, 98% people you meet in life don't give a fuck who you are. They have no time. They're so occupied with their shit. Like, I'll forget this question ever came 5 minutes after I switch off this live stream. There's no way I have time to think about, अरे उसका वो question था 2.5 साल पहले. It just does not work like that. So, be careful. And unless you experience, the problem with theoretical nonsense is once you absorbed it, especially this pilled nonsense, this worldview shift that you get from red pill, black pill, you will look at the world like this. And then even if she's being herself, she's just not interested in you because you never spoke to her and you're not particularly attractive at first sight. You'll be like, ye mere ko creep sochti hogi. And then you'll do things that will appear creepy to her, or whatever she does, you'll interpret as creepy. Ki ye mere ko creep keh rahi hai. And then you're stuck, bro. You're stuck forever in that bloody horrible spot.